Yes, I'm feeling good. What about you?
Good, good, good. All right, perfect. Yeah, so I just wanted to have this quick meeting with you. Don't worry, it shouldn't take too much time.
No
I'm
problem.
gonna show you. So I saw, I think you did the changes already. Yeah, you're using my Clerk account.
I have migrated Clerk account and Stripe account to your provided credentials. So,
Okay,
yes. So,
perfect. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I wanted to check that. So let me just open.
mhm.
So I'm gonna ask you to do just one more thing on that end. It's like just the workflow. I'll show you. Hold on, let me share my screen.
Okay, so as we discussed that we are going to tweak our current flow a little bit, right?
It's actually I made a task. I don't know if you saw you got the
Uh,
hold on. What
uh,
is it? I don't know how I called it. How did I call it? Oh yeah, sorry. I added to. Did I add? Where did I add it? Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, just give me a second.
mm, is it in the current ticket website Leaf Cloud one, which is
Yeah, this one here. If you go down, you see. Actually, I'm sharing my screen, but if you go down, you see like the workflow basically. In your case, for example, what you've done already is create account, select the payment, make the payment. So the config we're not there yet, and the email as well, and then we get the congratulation. There's the only thing that I want you to ask you to do is there's also another workflow, which is someone selects the with no creating an account, nothing selects like make a choose this let's say this program this payment, let's say $30 a month or whatever. It's gonna trigger the authentication, then the payment, right? So that's just something like on click, choose like on click, choose a payment. If the user is not authenticate him or her, and then after that, go to the next step.
Okay, so actually, I have already implemented this
Oh
current
yeah,
in
okay,
in our current logic. If you take a look, so when for example, just give me a second. Let me pull
okay,
out the file. Just give me a second so I can show to you.
sure.
Um,
Uh, I didn't. Did you merge the branch? No, you did not.
no, I haven't because you told that you want to first want me to
Okay,
migrate the changes to your accounts and then you will going to merge it. So that is why I kept it open.
okay.
Okay, so
Hold
can you
on.
see my screen?
Yes, sir. Hold on. I'm just gonna remove mine. There we
Okay,
go.
so as you can see that here is our card, and when user click on this button, it
I
is
don't
going to
see the right screen. I'm seeing Google Meet.
wait a second, just
Yeah.
okay. So can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, so over here in this price card from
Hmm.
file, you can see that over here in this button, when user click on this button, this function gets triggered. Name so
Okay.
this functions const handle by plan gets triggered. So it first checks that if user exists or not. So to check that, we use this user ID. So if it doesn't
Yeah.
exist, we actually push that user to for authentication. So this
Hmm.
is actually going to authenticate users first, so it is going to redirect user to sign in or sign up page. Once
Okay.
he authenticate or create all the accounts, then he's going to redirect back to this page where he can continue to checkout screen.
Oh, okay. Okay, sounds good.
Yes, because you know that creating a user is necessary for creating a change
Yeah.
session for Stripe. So uh, whatever flow I have come up with, I need to integrate this thing. So it was not an
Okay.
option. So it was
Yeah.
required for this. Yeah.
Okay, thank you a lot, Hassan. Okay, this is great. Quite honestly, I didn't know. I thought you did because I didn't merge the PR yet. I wanted to
Uh-huh.
discuss with you. Right? Okay, this is perfect then.
Yeah.
Then I think what you can do. Are you busy these days? How's your schedule?
No, I'm free. If you have any more work for me, I'm open to it.
Yeah. Okay, basically, it's just the next step. Okay, so let me share my screen quickly.
Uh, okay, so I just have one question, not
Sure.
regarding not regarding the job. So, for instance, that if I exceed 20 hours limit which you have on me
Yeah.
for working hours, if I exceed that, does it become a problem? Like, obviously, I will inform you before it that you said I have some work left regarding the state. So, can I obviously take like exceed this limit? So,
Yeah,
is it
yeah.
fine?
Just let me know. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Just like last time,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
you exceeded it. I think I said the payment already. So
Yeah, oh, no, I'm not worried about that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it's okay. I think it's fine. I understand that sometimes you it exceeds. I put 20 because that's approximately what I
Uh-huh.
think. It can 20 for me looks enough. But if you say that you took to more time,
Uh-huh.
it's I think it's fine.
Okay.
So don't worry about it. Okay. I think the next step will be this. Where is it again?
Building an admin panel.
No, it's the before that we have to create like the configuration panel. Where you
Okay.
choose what kind of Nextcloud instance.
Okay.
You'll have to work with Akshay for that. Let me just give me a second. Yeah, exactly. Implement form field.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. This guy here. I'm gonna tag you this. Not this man. So basically, that now you've done great. You did a great job. You have authentication. We have payment. Once the user pays, he's gonna be sent back to the website with a form, basically,
Yes.
that says that exactly that checks many things. What is the name of your organization? What is then you have the URL you choose. You also your domain. It's also this task here. Domain, or you have to do domain ownership verification.
Okay.
Yeah, it's here. It's the same thing, but basically, you can just talk to Akshay about it. He tell him what are the parameter that I need. What are the parameter I can request? Actually, what? Let me send that to you. It's gonna be wait, quicker. So, for the config form, what are the params that can be configured? What is the API to see and select a domain based on a domain based on availability and yeah, what API can I use to trigger the instance building? Here you go. So basically, what happens now is you have here you go. I sent it to you through Slack. What you have now is after the payment, you're gonna display a form that is going to be all the information basically for do you want only office, do you want all that stuff. Akshay knows about it, what are the exact parameter, and you have to basically show them select, and then based on that you make a call to Akshay's API, and that's it. You display a congratulation page, and that's it.
Okay. So actually, like once like our payments get successfully uh completed, we're going to redirect to a page where we have like all configuration settings for our Nextcloud instances, right?
Yeah.
And once we are done with that, like save it to our backend or whatever we are going to do with it, then we're going to show a successful screen, right?
Yeah, exactly. Successful. Congratulations. You should receive it. I think in part of the task, I asked to send an email confirmation. So you can send an email confirmation saying, yeah, your account has
Okay,
been successful
okay,
and congratulations page.
okay.
And after that, once it's done, we're going to jump to the admin panel.
Okay, no problem. So I think so. I need to like have a Google Meet call, or like I need to drop a message to Akshay, so that he could
Yeah,
provide me like with the exact parents, right?
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Is there any channel created where we can like where we will free our president in same channel and we can discuss all this in that same channel? I just want to make sure
Sure,
that
of
our
course.
conversation is also public to you.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, of course. You know what? Let's Do it in payment. Hold on.
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
add.
add. Hold on. Why is that here?
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
add
add
Akshay.
Akshay. I'm gonna add Akshay and then message basically explaining what we want,
Mm-hmm.
And
and
then
then
Akshay is
Akshay is
gonna
gonna
explain you
explain you
exactly
exactly
what
what
is
is
required.
required,
And
and
after
after
that,
that,
you
yeah,
can
you can
just
just
work
work
on it.
on
Like
that.
I
Like I
said,
said,
try to
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
work
work
on
on
this
this configuration
configuration
thing.
thing.
Okay.
When
Once
this
this
is
is
completed,
completed,
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
jump
jump
on
on
the
the
admin
admin
panel where
panel
you'll
where
have
you'll have
some
some
help.
help.
You'll be
You'll be
working with
working with
someone else
someone
as
else
well.
as well.
Okay. Okay, no
So
problem.
So
that
that's pretty much it.
so
So
what I
what
will
I
do
will
now,
do
I'm
now,
just
I'm
gonna
just
write
gonna
down
write
a
down a
big
big
message that
message that
explains
explains
everything.
everything.
Okay. Uh, just one more thing. Do you know
Yep.
like where Akshay is based? Like, I just want to know that what is going to be his availability hours, so I don't ping him during his non-available hours.
It's like
It's like
me,
me,
same thing
same
as
thing
me.
as me.
Okay, same thing as you. Okay, no
So
So
we're
problem.
at
we're
the
at the
same.
same.
On
Yeah, on
Slack, you
Slack
can
you
see
can see
what is
what
the
is the
local
local
time.
time.
Sure. Okay, okay, I got you. Okay. So okay, I'll ping him. I think so. Maybe tomorrow,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
I'm going to end my day here. Um, I'll bring
Okay.
him
Okay.
and I will ask all the requirements which I need. Until then, in the meantime, I'm going to design a like simple page because I think so. I need to like also got figure out UI myself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't worry
So
Don't worry
about.
about.
You don't
You
have
don't
to
have to
ping him
ping
now.
him now.
I'm gonna
I'm
send
gonna
a
send a
message in the
message in the
group.
group.
He's gonna
He's gonna
send you
send you
everything in the
everything in
group,
the group,
just
okay,
like
just
you
okay,
like you
asked.
okay.
asked.
And then
And then
eventually
eventually
tomorrow you
tomorrow
can
you can
start on
start on
this
this
slowly if you
slowly if
want.
you
Okay.
want.
Between what is the name of the group because I couldn't see over here.
It's
It's
called
called
payment
payment
here.
here.
Okay,
Hold on.
payments. Okay, right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Here we
Here we
go.
go.
I
This
think
one.
This
that.
one.
Okay, thanks. Uh, I think
I'm
so
gonna
I'm
put a
gonna put a
message here.
message here. Yeah.
okay. Okay, that's it. I think so that's all covered our today's agenda, right?
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
this is
perfect. Thank
perfect.
you
Thank you
again,
again,
Hassan, for your
Hassan, for your
great
great
work.
work.
I'll
Thank you.
I'll
message the
message the
group and
group
then I'll
and then
let
I'll
you know
let
if
you know
there's
if there's
anything.
anything.
Okay. One more thing, I would also like
Yep.
to
Yep.
express my interest while working in like on the next cloud instance because I'm really interested. I haven't done any kind of work, but if you have like any small tasks which you think that I can completely do it, like I'm
Yeah,
also
there
Yeah,
is.
there
interested.
is. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
Yeah.
of
Of
course.
course.
I'm just letting you know that if you want little help over there,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
open to it. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah,
yeah, after
I
I
think
think
you
you
finish
finish
admin
admin
panel.
panel.
Actually, in
Actually, in
admin
admin
panel, you'll
panel,
have
you'll
to
have
work
to
with
work with
Nextcloud
Nextcloud
instance.
instance.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
and
after that,
after that,
there is
there
more
is
work
more
here,
work here,
basically,
basically,
depending on
depending
the
on the
how much
how
money
much
I
money
have.
I have,
But I will
but I
let
will
you know
let
for
you know
sure.
for sure.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Don't worry
Don't
about
worry
it.
about it.
Should I
Should
have
I
work,
have
I'll
work,
give
I'll
you
give
work.
you work.
Yeah,
No
sure, no
problem.
problem. Thank you.
That's it.
That's
Okay,
it.
then.
Okay then.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much,
for
Hassan,
the
for the
meeting. I'll
meeting.
let you
I'll
know if
let you know
there's
if there's
anything on my
anything on
side.
Yeah,
my
sure.
side.
So thank you. Thank you.
All right.
All
Take
right.
care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.